Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video, we're going to talk about, as a foreigner, if you're looking to come to the Philippines to make a movie, that if you expect to do it for free, you're going to be boldly mistaken. This is simply because the Philippine Islands is a very poor country. Although very beautiful, the actors, being very experienced in the Philippines, will not work for free. Everything in the Philippines is going to have a price on it, so be ready for that. Props, the actors, every single thing. It's not going to be like it is in the United States, where people will let you borrow this and do that. Every single item is going to have a price on it, essentially. And upon that someone lets you borrow something, then make sure you do give them screen credit. Pay them some money. Do something. It's going to be really rare. It really is. There are also some great filming locations that can be secured by a beach resort. You can rent that out for a certain duration of time. Take your cast and crew with you. Do some filming there. You'll also want to, of course, first rent out a van. And that van will take you and your crew for a certain fee and to the beach resort and then pick you up later. All right? And that will be, of course, an air-conditioned van, because in the Philippines it's extremely hot and you're going to need it. I know. So these are some good tips and tricks to learn. So do take to mind, if you're a foreigner expecting to come to the Philippines to make a film, you're not going to do it for free. So wipe that out of your mind. Filipino actors are very good, very skilled, and they are professionals. And unless you pay them, they're not going to do a thing. All right? So, hope this helps. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.